From the bizarre to the beautiful, these animals are perfectly adapted to their environment. But some animals have adaptations that just make no sense. Like, why do they have them? And some of them are so small, you need a microscope to see them. So let's get into it. Number 10, glowing bones. When you think of an animal that glows in the dark, you might be thinking of a firefly or a jellyfish. But did you know that there is a fish that has bones that glow? The Crossota has bones that emit light. This makes them one of only 2 known vertebrate species that can produce their own light. They live deep in the ocean where there is no light, so they use bioluminescence to communicate with each other. Their glowing bones also help scientists track the movement of fish and help identify fishing grounds. Number 9, a real-life unicorn. If you thought unicorns were just a myth, think again. There is a real-life unicorn. It's called a narwhal, and it lives in the Arctic Ocean. Only males have the large spiral tusks that can grow up to 10 feet long. Scientists believe the tusks are used to help the narwhals locate each other in the dark, murky waters. They also may use their tusks to dig through the ice, help them surface, and even attract a mate. Number 8, transparent. Just like us, many animals have skeletons that give them structure and support. But there are some animals whose skeletons you can literally see right through. Glass frogs are completely transparent, which makes them almost invisible to predators. Their see-through undersides reflect the light and blend in with their surroundings. Some frogs even have transparent eyeballs to help them hide from predators. Number 7, mimic octopus. The mimic octopus can change its shape and color to look like other animals in its environment. For example, it can expand its skin flaps to look like a lionfish, or it can mimic the shape of a sea snake. They can even change the way they move to look like other animals. They do this to trick their prey or to hide from predators. Number 6, walking. Are you dreaming of being able to walk on water without a single ripple? Well, if you're not a puddle jumper, you're out of luck. But there is a beetle that can walk on water without making a single ripple. The water strider can walk on water thanks to a waxy coating on its body and legs that repels water. Its legs are also very thin, which helps it distribute its weight. That means it's not likely to fall in the water and get its legs wet. And when it does fall in the water, all it has to do is shake its legs a few times and it's back on its feet. Literally. Number 5, exploding. Did you know that there is an animal that can explode? The blobfish can inflate itself like a balloon to confuse predators. They live deep in the ocean where there is very little food. So when a blobfish sees food, it quickly eats it and then blows itself up to make itself look bigger. This scares away potential predators and lets the blobfish keep its meal. Number 4, super speed. We've all seen the cartoon birds and turtles that can magically teleport from one place to another. But did you know that there is a bird that can literally blink and be somewhere else? The peregrine falcon can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour when it dives to catch its prey. To put that in perspective, that's about 400 feet per second. At that speed, a peregrine falcon could go from New York to Los Angeles in less than a minute. Number 3, magnetic. Some animals have special abilities that we can only dream of, like being able to sense magnetic fields. Certain animals, including some birds, turtles, and fish, have the ability to sense magnetic fields. They use this ability to navigate over long distances. For example, some birds travel thousands of miles each year during migration, and they use their magnetic sense to stay on course. Scientists believe that the animals have special cells in their bodies that act like compasses. These cells allow the animals to sense the magnetic fields of the Earth. Number 2, armor. There are some animals that have armor, like armadillos. But did you know that there is a fish that can turn itself into a ball? The pufferfish can inflate its body with water and turn itself into a ball when it feels threatened. Its sharp spines make it difficult for predators to eat it. So most predators leave the pufferfish alone when it's in its ball shape. Some people even keep pufferfish as pets because they're so cute when they're all puffed up. Number 1, no need for legs. Imagine trying to walk across a slippery surface without legs. You'd probably fall flat on your face. But there is a creature that can crawl without legs. The mud skipper is a fish that spends a lot of time on land. It uses its fins to crawl around on land. They often travel long distances on land to find new habitats or to escape predators. The mud skippers also sometimes crawl up trees. They do this to lay their eggs. Well, that's all for now. See you next time.